Hey friends, welcome to my first Fall Decorate with Me of 2023. We'll be transforming our brand new patio and I'm so excited you're here. This is my favorite fall decor I have done. Make sure you stick around to the end. We have a DIY to make your fall extra special. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley and I love all things homemaking and I would love it if you subscribed. Alright y'all, grab some pumpkin spice, get cozy, and let's jump right in. We are starting off at the cutest little garden center. I had a ton of questions about this place when I posted it on my Instagram. It is called Grasshopper Gardens in Brighton, Michigan. They had the most beautiful selection of mums that I've ever seen. The staff were so sweet and knowledgeable. I highly recommend if you're a local. I loved their selection of planters and yard stakes. They were so cute, but we came for the purple, yellow, and multicolored mums, and we'll be taking these home with us today. Here are some of the things that we're going to be using in today's video. I have some really fun pillows from Target we're going to be using to decorate the sectional, these adorable little planters, and we're going to be doing a fun DIY, and then of course all of the beautiful mums that we already picked. I'm so excited to finally share our brand new patio, gazebo, and furniture with all of you. I have a full in-depth video coming soon on the entire backyard makeover, but first we are setting up the corn stalks and securing them to the gazebo with zip ties. I used about 3 zip ties per corn stalk and I just secured them to each other, wrapped it around, and cut off the excess. Then I used the dried leaves to help hide any of the visible zip ties. These are my ferns I've had since spring. I love that I can keep them out until late November, and I wanted to make sure that they get plenty of water before I start prepping my mums and pumpkins. I really want to make my pumpkins last until Halloween. In order to do so, I'm prepping a bath full of dish soap, vinegar, and water. I'm also going to fill up the second bucket because I want to soak my mums for about 30 minutes to an hour deep at the root. That is going to help them last up to 8 weeks. So that is what we are doing right now. We are prepping, and I also want to scrub off all the dirt and bacteria after the pumpkins had a moment to soak. That is going to help prevent them from rotting and help them stay nice and beautiful, perfect for carving right before Halloween. Next, let's make these Pottery Barn jack-o'-lanterns for under $10 each. I grabbed these jack-o'-lantern candy buckets from Walmart. The small buckets were about $2 and the large buckets were about $9. I'm removing the handles first, then I just took some gold spray paint and I sprayed the inside. I let the gold dry, then I flipped the pumpkins over and sprayed the black on the outside. While the pumpkins are drying, I remove the mums from the buckets and set them on the grass to drain. Next, I am going to start sweeping off the patio so we can get ready to decorate. make sure you stick around to the very end where I'm going to show how the patio looks all lit up. We had the fog rolling in. It was truly magical, and I think you guys are going to love it. Have you guys seen the Jack Skellington at Home Depot? Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I love him so much, and I think the large pumpkin buckets that I was using earlier with a flashing light added inside would be a perfect addition to his hand. I wanted to get him, but my neighbor's son is scared of all things Halloween. He even thought what I did this year was kind of scary. I was shocked, because it's not scary at all, but I'm hoping that by next year he won't be as scared and I'll be able to add Jack into my fall decor. I know the golfers would love him, and not so sure about the HOA. Now that I think about it, he'll probably get hit by a ton of golf balls. Either way, hoping to have him next year. Next, I cut out the faces of the jack-o'-lanterns. Honestly, this is not really safe, so definitely don't let the kids do this. I don't even know that I should have been doing this. If I was a more patient person, I probably just would have waited for my husband to come home and have him do it, but for the sake of finishing the video on time, I did it myself, and thankfully I didn't cut myself, but it was not my favorite part of the DIY. It kind of sucked, I'm not even gonna lie. So maybe you won't have that experience, I don't know. I'm so glad I did it though, because I love the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think, and please don't cut yourself if you do this. I've never been so happy to finish a DIY in my life. That was such a pain. I don't know how people do a ton of those, but I love the way she turned out. So cute, and I love that I got the larger and the smaller. They look really good together. We're adding in some flameless candles and some twinkling lights. I'll link everything down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing it for your home.